Well, hello. Have you ever seen us and wondered what's inside? Well, come on in and let's see what the STEAM Center is all about. From the moment you walk in, it's hands-on discovery. Not just one, but two interactive learning areas designed for curious minds of all ages. In our main room, the energy is non-stop. With so many built-in hands-on STEAM activities, we keep things fresh and exciting. Our second space, perfect for building, exploring, and learning, with hands-on materials and STEAM-focused activities designed with young learners in mind. Now let's check out our classroom spaces. We'll start with our art and science room, where creativity meets curiosity through hands-on classes in science, engineering, arts, and more. Step into our young learners classroom space, with tables meant just for their size and tools that help ideas come to life. And then there's our tech room, where innovation takes off with robotics, digital design, CAD, and so much more. Now let's share our top 5 favorites. In no particular order, number 1, the interactive sand table, where imagination shapes the world. Number 2, the ball launcher. It's fast, fun, and full of energy. Number 3, our toy box 3D printers, where kids are able to create a print a day. Number 4, our classes. From robotics teams to drone competition teams to hands-on STEAM activities, science, technology, engineering, arts, agriculture, and math activities that get kids thinking, building, and creating together. And number 5, my personal favorite, learning together, because here it's not just about what you make, it's about the relationships you create. We offer classes for everyone from PK to grade because learning never stops. Every moment here is powered by curiosity, creativity, and community, and every donation helps us keep these opportunities alive for our kids. So whether you're young or just young at heart, there's something here for you. Stroll on over and see what's happening right here at the STEAM Center.